what I have here are both original Philips Sonicare toothbrushes. So the pink one has the replacement and the blue one has the original. As you can see, this has the seal intact and then the pink one doesn't. I'll show you later what happened. So I already pre-soaked them with 50% hydrogen peroxide and 50% water to take off the black spots. So it's clean, relatively clean. So yeah, and I'm just gonna toss the heads. I'm gonna replace them with Amazon replacement heads for Sonicare. So this is how you disassemble it. Just pull it and you'll get it off, and just rinse it with water or hydrogen peroxide and water. So this is why the seal in the pink toothbrush is not intact, because I tried to pull it off, but I recommend you not do this because it's not good. There's alternative way. I'll show you later how to clean the inside. So yeah, you can see it's so filthy. Normally, if you clean your toothbrush once a week, you won't need a lot of hot water to clean it, and you don't have to do this. So yeah, you see that it's not, the seal is not back. And with this one, just pull it off, rinse it with water. Just like that. You'll probably need more if you didn't clean it for at least 2 weeks. And this is how I clean it. I use a water pick. It's really powerful and it gets off all that black dirt, or I don't even know what you call it. Just put it inside and it's gonna rinse all the leftovers that you didn't take off by using sanitizer, hydrogen peroxide and water, or whatever you decide to use. You can also use vinegar. So just do this until you see that the inside is all clean. You can't see much, but the inside is so much better than earlier. Yeah, I can't really use the phone to get in, but I'm not gonna use this head, but I'm just showing this for demo. It's been 3 months, so I have to replace it. So, like what I've said, I already use hydrogen peroxide with the toothbrush itself, and I just have to wash it with soap. That's soap, I swear. So yeah, just wash it thoroughly like that. You can also use the old toothbrush to brush the sides, because just like that, brush it if you missed a spot. I actually keep 1 or 2 just to brush my toothbrush every week. Yeah, you brush the toothbrush. Okay, we just have to rinse it thoroughly. I'm just gonna grab a towel. Okay, you just have to wipe it dry. I like using this cloth paper towel. Inside too. This is the dirtiest part. Okay, this one next. This is my toothbrush, the pink one. So just wash it with soap again. clean. Then just wipe it off. Wipe the water. If you don't have a UV sanitizer at home, you can just wipe it dry. It's good. And you can use mouthwash. So these are the replacement heads I got from Amazon for comparison. So the left is the original Philips Sonicare replacement, and this is the cheaper one. I'll put the link below so you can buy it for yourself and you don't have to buy the expensive Philips. See? It's all brand new. So this comes in a pack of 6 and it's so cheap. Okay, just put it back in and you have a fresh toothbrush. Wait, I'll swap the color. I like the pink head. Okay, that looks better. Looks nice, right? You have fresh toothbrush. Thank you for watching. So, yep, this is the Sierra Clean from Amazon. It's really cute. Comes in different colors. So it works with other brands too. And it's recommended to replace it after you recover from flu.